You need to watch this if you struggle with finding the perfect sofa. Introducing the ultimate modern recliner sofa. With its electric recliner function, you can adjust your seating position at the touch of a button. Say goodbye to fatigue and hello to pampering relaxation. This bad boy isn't just comfortable, it's built to last. High-density cushions and selected high-quality leather mean plush comfort and easy cleaning. Got a unique room layout? No problem. Tailor the sofa and recliner positions to fit your space perfectly. Add your personal touch and watch your room come alive. And get this, you can expand and enrich your setup anytime. Add extra seats, recliners, or consoles to match your changing needs and preferences. All this, wrapped in modern elegance. Pure lines, geometric beauty, and a look that's sure to enhance your living room decor. So what are you waiting for? Transform your living room with this modern recliner sofa today.